ever wondered what happens when centuries-old legal traditions collide with cutting-edge artificial intelligence? Imagine this. A junior associate at a top law firm burns the midnight oil combing through thousands of documents for a single contract clause, only to miss a critical one buried deep inside. Now picture an AI tool that can complete that task in seconds, with more accuracy than any human ever could. Welcome back to MCAL Global, your destination for decoding the world of tech, trends, and tomorrow. In today's video, we are dividing into a transformation that's shaking the very foundations of legal work. AI tools in the legal industry. What they are, how they work, and why every law firm, from global giants to solo practitioners, needs to pay attention right now. Stick around as we uncover the tools leading this revolution, explore real-world applications, and even sneak a peek into the future of justice with AI on the bench. Ready to discover how artificial intelligence is turning billable hours into milliseconds? Let's begin. What are legal AI tools and why now? To keep it simple, legal AI tools are intelligent software systems designed to automate, augment, or accelerate tasks traditionally performed by lawyers, paralegals, or clerks. Think of them as ultra-fast, tireless legal assistants trained on thousands of case files, contracts, laws, and precedents. What makes them different from regular software? Machine learning and natural language processing. These tools don't just follow commands. They learn, they interpret, and they suggest, much like a human world. But here's the big question. Why is this happening now? The legal world is under pressure. Clients demand faster results, accuracy is non-negotiable, and the data is exploding at an unimaginable scale. Combine that with breakthroughs in generative AI like ChatGPT, Cloudy, and Microsoft Copilot, and suddenly law firms are realizing they can't afford to ignore this wave. It's not about replacing lawyers, it's about supercharging them. So what's powering this transformation? Most legal AI tools use a combination of natural language processing to read and understand legal language, stages, case laws, and contracts. Machine learning to analyze patterns, recommend strategies, or predict case outcomes. Generative AI to help draft documents, generate summaries, or answer legal queries in plain English. For instance, let's say you upload a 200-page contract. A tool like Kira Systems scans it in seconds, extracts key clauses, flags risks, and even compares them with previous versions. It doesn't just speed up your work, it protects you from human error. And if you're using Harvey AI, a ChatGPT-powered platform specially trained for law firms, it can interpret legalese, recommend edits, and even help with litigation research. Let's walk through some of the top tools transforming legal workflows in 2025. Harvey AI, probably the hottest name in legal AI right now. It's built on OpenAI's GPT-4, but fine-tuned specifically for legal tasks. Think contract generation, clause comparison, and fast legal Q&A. Rose Intelligence. Even after its rocky shutdown in 2021, it's back in new avatars, using GPT-powered search to do what used to take paralegal hours and minutes. Perfect for legal research. Kira Systems specializes in contract review and due diligence, used by top law firms for mergers, acquisitions, and compliance reviews. Luminance combines ML and NLP for document review, audit readiness, and compliance analysis, very popular in Europe and expanding rapidly worldwide. DoNotPay. While not made for law firms, this AI-powered chatbot helps with small claims, traffic tickets, and subscription cancellations, showing just how far automation can go in handling routine legal tasks. Lexis plus AI and Westlaw Precision. Both legacy legal research tools now enhanced with AI features offering predictive analytics, smart search, and document insights. And in 2025, we are seeing tools like Case Text, CoCounsel, and Spellbook helping lawyers draft contracts, emails, and even litigation strategies with just few prompts. Let's look at how law firms are actually using these tools in practice. Legal research. AI tools fetch relevant precedents instant, ranked by relevance and jurisdiction, eliminating the need for endless scrolling or flipping through books. Contract review. AI systems extract key clauses, spot missing terms, and flag non-standard language that could be risky in minutes, not days. Litigation support. Tools like CoCounsel help prep cases by summarizing depositions, suggesting strategies, and identifying weak points in arguments. Client interaction. Virtual assistants trained in legal language can handle intake forms, schedule meetings, and answer common legal questions. Predictive analytics. Some platforms predict litigation outcomes based on judge history, prior rulings, and case details, adding in strategy or settlement decisions. The benefits are undeniable. Speed. Tasks that used to take 10 hours now take 10 minutes. Accuracy. AI can detect inconsistencies or omissions that might slip past even senior laws. Cost efficiency. Firms save money and clients save on billable hours. Scalability. Even small firms or solo practitioners can operate at the scale of large firms. But here's the flip side. Bias. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Flawed data can result in flawed recommendations. Data privacy. Legal information is highly sensitive. Secure AI implementation is non-negotiable. Lack of judgment. AI doesn't think like a lawyer. It can't fully replace human reasoning, ethics, or court experience. So yes, AI is a powerful assistant but not a replacement for legal minds. As of 2025, over 65% of law firms in the US and UK have adopted at least one AI tool. Major players like Clifford Chance, Allen & Overy, and PwC Legal are already investing heavily in AI innovation. We are seeing courtroom AI assistants, multilingual legal chatbots, real-time clause flagging tools during live negotiations. And with the rise of AI ethics boards, regulation is finally starting to catch up to ensure fairness and transparency in legal tech. So what this means for you? Whether you are a lawyer, a law student, or some curious about where AI is headed, one thing's clear. This shift is momentum. For law firms, it's time to rethink workflows. For clients, it's about smarter, faster, and more accessible services. And for tech developers, this is a golden opportunity to create the next generation of legal tools. So ask yourself, is your legal team ready to embrace the future? Before you go, what do you think about AI entering the courtroom? Would you trust a lawyer who uses AI tools? Would you let an AI write your legal contracts? Let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable and hit subscribe for more deep dives into how emerging tech is reshaping every corner of our world. This is Devashri. You have been watching MCAL Global, where we make tech make sense.